would you do with an extra $22,000 in your pocket? What would you do if there are 20 people ready to buy your home? Hi, I'm Kim Dowling, and I'm here with you on the beautiful Gulf Coast of Florida, and I wanted to talk with you about what is happening all through Manatee, Sarasota, and Pinellas. And I want to share a couple of really quick stories to give you a real life, tangible insight into the wins that our clients are experiencing in this market. In every price range, clients are putting more money in their pockets. We just closed yesterday on a property at 6504 39th Avenue West, under contract in 4 days, $22,000 over asking price. This is where our fantastic partner agents here at Coastal are able to get the job done. They can actually get you to the closing table by expertly negotiating your way through inspections and pushing through appraisals. Believe it or not, getting any home under contract right now is the easy part. Getting the home under contract for the most money possible and getting it closed is where knowledge and expertise comes into play. This home on 39th Avenue, 2-bedroom, 1,100 square feet with 16 offers, $22,000 over list. Incredibly impressive. And we push the comps in this neighborhood. So what would you do with $22,000? Retirement savings, savings accounts for real life emergencies, vacation fund. It's quite a bit of extra money that our seller wasn't expecting. And this is the money that can change your year, and this property isn't unique. 4627 Sanibel Way, under contract in 1 day, over list price. 8705 52nd, under contract in 2 days, over list price. 4623 Tobermory, under contract in 6 days, over list price. It's what we do all day. We launch every home with the ultimate marketing launch to drive multiple offers and allow the seller to choose the very best one. And here's the flip side of the coin. For every home that we put under contract, we are leaving buyers ready and waiting. Only one person can buy the house, and we have a long waiting list of highly qualified, ready to purchase buyers looking to buy right now. Ready, willing, and able. Wonderful buyers that want to move forward. They're ready to move forward, and it can be a tremendous win-win for both sides. And buyers, our buyer specialists here at Coastal are getting the job done for you in this heated market. One of our best agents just won the bid in multiple offers and put a home under contract for our buyer at $19,900 under list price. You don't hear that under list price very often in this market, but we've got tricks up our sleeves for our buyers and our sellers because you all mean the world to us, and we're going to do everything possible to make sure that we accomplish your goals. It's outstanding, and it's really remarkable what our agents are able to do for our clients. It makes me incredibly proud. And I've got some more good news. We are getting a lot of questions here at Coastal about really what to do if you're ready to sell your home. What are the next steps? And then what can you do to sell your home, but also find a new home at the same exact time? The selling process and questions from buyers about how to buy a home without losing sleep in this crazy market. Well, with real estate, what's really behind all of the buying and selling is knowledge. And knowledge is power. And we're going to invite you to join us in the next few weeks for 2 very special evenings from the comfort of your own home. Our team is putting together 2 very special events, one for our sellers and one for our buyers, to make sure that your questions are answered. Our job is to do everything possible to prepare you for what's happening right now in our spring market and right around the corner for summer. There is a way to accomplish your goals, and we are going to give you the clarity and confidence to make your move simple and easy. There's also a reason that we lead the way with 5-star client reviews, and for the first time ever, we are going to give away the exact process that we use to create hundreds of success stories. It's free, and I will make sure that you get your invitation first. Everything is possible with the right game plan in place, I promise. So let's get you the money that you deserve and the home that you will love. Stay tuned for more, and I will see you again soon.